Hi, this is Jim Barry from Swiderski Equipment in Mosinee, Wisconsin. I'm super excited today to talk to you about the new 2023 Doosan DD100 bulldozer. Let's take a look. To start off, our new DD100 bulldozer comes in two track configurations. An LGP model, which is 28-inch wide pads, and an XL model, which is 20-inch pads. This happens to be the LGP model, and it also has a 10'7" 6-way dozer blade with a manual pitch adjustment and a blade shaker. The Doosan DD100 bulldozer uses both single and dual flange rollers. That helps keep our chain straight in the track frame, thus reducing wear over time. As you can see on the bottom here, we also have some protection. This is a general purpose protection. You can also get full length rock guards for the bottom. Very open design for keeping the undercarriage clean. Your simple track adjustment is behind this plate with a grease gun. Back here you have your segmented sprocket sections, which can be easily replaced over time as they wear, and also some additional guarding. So a very robust undercarriage. Moving along to the side compartments of the DD100 bulldozer, you will see we have our 24-volt system, two batteries with a battery disconnect switch. We have our windshield wash bottles here for the wipers. We have a linear actuator here, and that'll actually allow you to lift the cab and lower the cab electronically if you ever have to get in and do any maintenance or cleaning. And then again, the doors here, they close very nice. They have the little clips here, so with the wind, it won't close the door on you. Close right up, good to go. Moving on to the back of our DD100 bulldozer, you will see that our cooling fan is on the rear of the dozer. Most traditional bulldozers have the cooling fan in the front. The nice thing with it being in the back of the bulldozer is not only do we keep the heat to the rear of the dozer and away from the operator cab in the front engine compartment, but it also allows a lot better visibility in the front of the bulldozer because we don't have to have a larger hood. We can get that hood down a lot smaller so our visibility is better. This is a hydraulically driven fan, and it also has a reversing fan standard in the dozer that you can set predetermined times to have that fan reverse its direction. Our rear view cameras on the back, we have a rear drawbar, LED lights, and our simple check here for our coolant, and also this compartment here so you can get to the DEF filter on the DEF tank. On the rear right side of the bulldozer, when we open up our compartments, you will see we have our DEF tank, our diesel fuel fill, we have our hydraulic filter and hydraulic tank. Everything very easy to get to for filling during our daily services and also for maintenance. Moving up front to the DD100 engine compartment, as you can see here, one touch, open up the front door. This side panel here also is removable. This allows us to do our very easy daily checks of our engine oil. The engine oil fill is also up front, along with the oil filter. We have our engine air filter here, and one unique feature of the DD100 bulldozer is the pre-cleaner is also in the engine compartment in front of the air filter. What that allows is not having a pre-cleaner up on top of the engine hood, which again is going to give us greater visibility when we're dozing. Moving along to the inside of our DD100 bulldozer, you will see a very spacious cab. Everything is laid out very nice for the operator. You have electric over hydraulic controls for very easy operation. You have a heated air suspension seat, lots of vents to keep the air moving in this cab. You have your control panel on the right hand side, very easy to get to and operate everything. And of course you have your 8-inch display monitor up front. The 8-inch display in the DD100 bulldozer gives an excellent visual of our fuel level, DEF level, our temperatures, our rear camera. We can get into the maintenance screen here on the dozer, fuel efficiency data, machine configuration for your blade and tracks. This dozer also has an optional 2D and 3D grading control that can be added to the dozer. One thing as an operator you'll notice when you're sitting in the seat of the new DD100 dozer is the excellent visibility. Narrow cab pillars. One other thing that they've done is they've moved the exhaust pipe to the very outside of the dozer hood. That gives excellent visibility when you are dozing. Also on the very outside with a narrow hood, you can also see the very outside of your blade all the way to the inside of the track frame. Again, excellent visibility. Another unique feature to our DD100 bulldozer is very easy access to our engine fuel filter and water separator. Right up front, very easy to get to. Close the panel, lock it up, and you're good to go. This concludes our short walk around video of the new DD100 bulldozer. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. If you have any additional questions or would like any further information, please call me, Jim Berry, at 715-551-7893, and I'll be sure to help you out. Thanks again.